In this video, we will review classic freehand placement with the use of spacers and series of drills. Pre-surgical planning with the implant planning software is performed, and a 6.2 by 10 mm implant has been planned. Infiltration anesthesia is the preferred technique for a single tooth posterior implant placement. We notice adequate keratinized tissue. The spacer also will ensure mesiodistal spacing. And mid-crystal incision is performed, and you will notice that the release is made along the sulcus. Additional infiltration to minimize bleeding is then provided. A full thickness mucoperiosteal flap is raised to expose all available bone. The periodontal probe establishes the gingival termination of the platform 2 to 3 millimeters below the CEJ. The lance drill is used to create a purchase point with the spacer in place. The pilot drill then ensures enlargement of the purchase point. We start with a 2.3 millimeter drill, and then the direction indicator or the paddling pin is used to confirm the emergence from the central fossa, lateral view, and occlusion to ensure optimal prosthetic profiles. The next drill is a 2.8 drill to a depth of about 10 millimeters, and serial enlargement is performed with 3.4 2.8 tapered drill, followed by a 3.8 3.4 tapered drill, and the next sequence is going to be a 4.4 3.8 drill, all according to the manufacturer's protocol. The final drills are with a 5.1 drill, which is a twist drill. We would go to full depth if the bone is dense. The 5.7 drill is used especially in the mandible where D1 bone is encountered. With 30 RPM of insertion torque, the implant is inserted, followed by a 50 newtons of torque, and finally the implant is inserted to its final depth with a hand ratchet. Since we have good stability, a custom healing abutment is being utilized to convert the implant placement into a one-stage procedure. Approximation is provided with 2 interrupted sutures, 4-row vicryl, so that we get a nice cuff around the healing abutment. Sutures will be removed 10 days post-op. The final implant placement shows ideal depth and emergence.